May Week brought to you by Green Mountain Coffee. Sheryl Crow.
Hi.
Sheryl Crow. I'm geeking out a little bit.
Oh, that's nice.
You know, I've been a big fan of yours for a long time.
Thank you.
Back in like Leaving Las Vegas days.
Yeah, that was the first single.
Was that the first one?
Actually, the first single was Run Baby Run, which was the first song off that record, and then Leaving Las Vegas, and then All I Want to Do.
And those songs I love. Like, All I Want to Do to this day is when I can just crank up and just listen loud and sing.
Nice.
I mean, I sing along. I don't sing like you do.
That's nice.
So it's so exciting to have you put out a country CD, Feels Like Home, and it actually is a real country CD, and it's still you.
It is. You know, I've told this story a couple of times, but Brad Paisley was really instrumental in encouraging me to do this, and he approached me at the CMAs last year when I performed with Loretta and Miranda, and said, now will you make a record for the format you belong to? And he was saying, your songs would definitely be formatted at country if they were out now. And so, and he was really instrumental in helping me get it going. And it's been a real blessing. I mean, it's just been amazing that I've been able to do what I love to do and make this the kind of record I want to make and still have it feel like it belongs here.
That's why I thought the name of the CD, Feels Like Home, had to have been, because maybe it felt like home to you putting out a country CD.
Even more than that, it felt like home, and it feels like now that I live in Nashville, going on 8 years, I feel like I finally have a home. I feel like I've finally put roots down. I'm raising my kids here, and so there were a lot of aspects to that title that just resonated.
How does it affect you professionally? Because you're a single mom, 2 kids, right?
Yes, I'm leaving here, and I'm going to go sit in the school pickup line in about an hour, keeping it real.
So I'm assuming, I mean, that just put all these thoughts in my head, because it would be so weird to go get your kid. Oh, there's Sheryl Crow.
Yeah.
But maybe in your
that's
school.
Nashville. I
Yeah.
mean, it's amazing that you can live here and have a very normal life, and people are respectful, and there's no paparazzi. And it means the world to me, because I grew up like 3 hours from here. And I did live in LA for quite a few years, and I lived in New York, and the tabloid thing and the celebrity thing has just gotten so over the top that it's really disruptive when you have kids.
And I was going to say, when you did have children and getting, just people in your face and with cameras, and it's like, come on, I got a kid, leave me alone.
Yeah.
And I don't know how anyone could deal with that. I really don't.
Well, yeah, I can't deal with it. It's not, I love making music, and that is what I enjoy the most, is when I'm playing for people, but the celebrity thing is not, I mean, it's so overblown that it's just, it feels like an unnatural aspect to being a well-known person. So it's great to be in Nashville where everybody's on even keel,
And your first single, Easy, did so well. As soon as I said that, I thought that was stupid. Your first country single, Easy, did so well. And now you've got the new song out, Call Me When I'm Lonely.
Yeah.
And that's like probably, for a female, the most country female song that's out right now. Really?
Yeah, I'm hoping that, more females will get played at country radio, and that is definitely a country song. And my favorite song on the record was one I wrote with Brad and Chris Dubois called Waterproof Mascara. And it's
that's a real country song.
It is, but, I grew up listening to a lot of Graham Parsons and a lot of Emmylou, a lot of Linda Ronstadt, a lot of the Rolling Stones stuff from the Let It Bleed period and Exile. And I really love that true American country sound. So we'll see.
Well, I have to tell you, when I saw your name on the list, I totally geeked out.
Oh, that's
so
awesome.
Sheryl Crow,
Thank you.
This is truly a pleasure. Thank you very much for your
It's nice
time.
to be